Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and I'm coming to you today with a Dollar Tree coffee bar sign that I'm going to make for my little coffee area in my kitchen. Now, I was so inspired by this Ray Dunn coffee bar sign that I saw on Pinterest, I believe, and I love the way it looked. But I'm going to put a little twist on mine. I want mine a little bit simple, and I'm going to use all Dollar Tree items. And once you get your wood sign that you find, you take off the sticker off the back, and we're going to paint it. We're going to use a brush. We're going to use some vinyl sticker letters from Dollar Tree. Now, I glopped on, if that even makes sense, the paint because of the texture of the wood sign. I didn't want to be sanding down anything, so I really painted the inside of the sign with a lot of paint. And I used these wall creation stickers, and I cut out each letter to spell whatever sign message that I wanted to say. And so it already had 3 hearts on the sticker bunch, and I just was like, wait a minute, let me just spell whatever. And I placed my hearts first, so I'm working from the bottom all the way up, and I'm centering my message so it doesn't look offset. And you might have to move your letters around, once you cut them out. They're vinyl stickers, so you're going to see a little bit of the plastic to clear in the back. For me, that was fine because it was on the wall, and so no one was going to be on top of it to really see it. And there you have it, guys. I thought it was so cute, super cheap. Cost me like $3 to make. And I wanted to give my coffee bar a little spring refresh, and so I just put together this little collage with my DIY apothecary jar that I made last spring. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it below. And that little sweet mini rolling pin is in my Etsy shop this season. So you can do anything possible with Target and Ray Dunn, and so that's the Target Ray Dunn candlestick and cream jar, along with my DIY wood sign and the Target bullseye shutters. I think those are so cute. I added my coffee pods to the apothecary jar that I made with Dollar Tree products as well, and you'll see the full thing right here. I think my little coffee bar area came out so cute and amazing, guys. Let me know what spring DIYs you're doing for your kitchen or your home this year. Make sure you join my Mug of the Day chat on Instagram, and I'll link that link below in my description box. All right, so guys, it is a fun chat and way to meet new people. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and follow me on YouTube and Pinterest. And don't forget, live life and do it your way. Lifestyle DIYW. Bye, guys.